Have you ever stood in awe at the deep, cracked lands of Chambal Valley in Madhya Pradesh? These aren't just natural scars, they're the story of soil erosion in action. Once fertile, now barren, this transformation didn't happen overnight. And it's not just about geography, it's about survival. In this video, we dive deep into a key concept from Class 10 Geography, soil erosion and soil conservation. Whether you're new to this or just brushing up, stay with me. You're about to discover how we are quite literally losing the ground beneath our feet. Let's break it down. Soil erosion is the removal of the upper layer of soil, the topsoil, by natural forces like wind and water, or even by us, humans. Why is this top layer so important? It's where all the nutrients live. It's what makes crops grow, forests thrive, and life continue. Imagine a cake. If the frosting gets wiped off, it's just not the same, right? That's exactly what erosion does to soil. And our activities, like cutting down forests, overgrazing fields, or mining, only make it worse. It's a natural process, yes, but we're accelerating it. Now, erosion doesn't always look the same. Let me paint a few quick pictures. Gully erosion, when rainwater carves out deep channels in the land, especially seen in Chambal. Sheet erosion, a silent thief, where a thin layer of soil washes away evenly with flowing water. Wind erosion, common in dry regions like Rajasthan, where wind carries away the loose topsoil. And yes, even poor farming methods, like ploughing in the wrong direction, can speed up erosion. Each type slowly chips away at land that once supported thriving ecosystems. You might ask, why worry about a little dirt being blown away? Here's why. Soil erosion leads to declining agricultural yields, silting up of rivers and dams, flooding and droughts, and, over time, the collapse of ecosystems. Think of it as pulling bricks from a building, one by one. Eventually, the whole thing crumbles. That's what erosion does to land, to livelihoods, and to life. But there's good news, we can fight back. The answer lies in soil conservation. Here are some smart, simple ways. Contour ploughing. Ploughing sideways across a slope slows down water flow. Terrace farming. Stepped levels cut into hills prevent soil from being washed away. Strip cropping, rows of crops and grasses reduce wind force and hold soil together. Shelter belts, lines of trees, especially in arid areas like Rajasthan, act as windbreakers. These aren't just farming tricks, they're lifelines. Let's zoom into real life. In the hilly fields of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, farmers use terrace farming to grow crops on steep slopes while conserving their soil. In the deserts of western India, shelter belts of native trees like khejri keep the sand in place and preserve fertility. These aren't textbook examples, they're living, breathing practices that protect both nature and human life. Let's solve this together. Imagine a farmer whose sloped field loses topsoil every monsoon. What can he do? Step 1. Understand the cause. Water runoff on slopes. Step 2. Choose a solution like contour ploughing or building terraces. Step 3. Add strip cropping or use cover crops for extra safety. Step 4. Monitor the results, less runoff, more fertile land. Simple, right? Small actions can save large landscapes. Let's crunch a number that might surprise you. If a region loses just 2 millimeters of topsoil per year, in 50 years that's 2 millimeters into 50 equals to 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters of topsoil lost. Now, here's the kicker. It takes 500 years to naturally form just 2.5 centimeters of topsoil. So in 50 years, we lose what took 2000 years to build. Think about that. Isn't it time we hit pause and protect what we've got? Soil erosion is more than a geography chapter. It's a challenge we must face together. By adopting conservation techniques and respecting nature, we protect the very ground we stand on. Let's act today so the earth stays fertile tomorrow.